So today we're gonna talk about equation of circle. This is from KMPP Set A, Paper 1, Section B, Question 1b. So they're asking about the equation of a circle with center and touches the line, this line. So in this case, the keyword is touches, because when they say touches, it actually mean it's a tangent. So let's draw this. There is a circle. So to find equation of a circle, we need a center and radius. Let's say center is here. The center we know already, it is -1, 2. So now we just have to know the radius. In this case, when they say touches the line, it is unspoken rule that this is actually a tangent, because if it touches the line means there's only 1 point touch. If they say intersect, then it will be 2 points. So this is the condition. This is 4x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Now we just have to find the radius here. Right here. So since this is a tangent, so there will be 90 degree, and the equation of the circle is gonna look like this: x minus -1, so +1 square plus y minus 2 square equals to r squared. So how do we find radius right now? Actually, radius is the shortest distance here. The formula for the shortest distance, r equals to, let's call it the shortest distance. It's modulus of AH plus BK plus C over square root of A square plus B square. So this H and K here are the center, and ABC is actually from the straight line here. So it is actually AX plus BY plus C equals to 0. So in this case, we have our A is 4, B is -3, and C is -10. So we can put in here modulus 4, and our center H is -1, B is -3, K is 2, C is -10. Don't forget the modulus here, over square root of A square, 4 square, B square, -3 square. By using calculator, you can get the value is modulus of -20 over 5. So because of the modulus, it's going to be 20 over 5, which is 4. So the shortest distance from the line to the center is 4 units, which is also the radius is 4. Therefore, we have equation of the circle is x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 square is 4 squared. So for part B, we have another part of the question, which is find the length of the tangent drawn from the point to the circle. So this question has nothing to do with the other question we did just now. So we need another diagram. Let's have a circle here, and this is the circle, which given the equation is this one: x squared y squared minus 12x plus 6y plus 20 is 0, and there is a point, and we have to find that distance. It's something like this. Okay, so let's call this point P here given there, which is P 84. So what the question wants is actually the length of the tangent from this point to the circle, which is here. This is the one they want. So we can find the center. Let's call it 0. We can find the center here, and then we have to find the radius, and then we can use Pythagoras Theorem to get the distance that we want. So to be accurate, it is actually here. Alright, so the first step is to find center from this equation of a circle. So to find center and radius, we have two methods. First is completing the square, as in you use completing the square to find the standard equation into this form. Then you can know the center and the radius. And method 2 is to use formula. So I guess most of the students like formula. I'll show it here. Formula is the center is -g, -f. So you have to compare from the equation just now. We have x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 6y plus 20 is 0. So by comparing, you have -12 is 2g, g is -6, and then you will have 6 is 2f, and f is 3. So our center is actually 6, -3, because of the formula -g, -f. So we need to find radius as well. Radius, the formula is square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So you know g, you know f, and the c here is 20, right here. So put it in, g squared f squared minus c. So we will get square root of 25. So the radius is 5. Let's recall from here. So now you have this is 5. Now what you want to find is this part. Using Pythagoras Theorem, so you have to find this one. The green color one we will find right now is distance between 2 points. It is between this center and this point P. So the distance between OP we use square root of 8 minus 6 square plus 4 plus 3 square. So you get square root 53. So now this is square root 53. So Pythagoras Theorem, we have to find this blue line here. Let's call this something like K. So the distance KP, or you call it length of tangent, it is same as length KP. So K is just a name, you can call it whatever you want. So we have Pythagoras Theorem, square root of this square root 53 square minus 5 square, and then you square root the whole thing. So we have square root 28. The answer is 5.29 unit because it's length. Alright, I'll show you the diagram again.